Yeah, my people, this is DJ King Kenny and I'm blogging for MSE TV. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever there's a video, you get it first. Listen, right now I'm in Germany. I'm on the train in Germany, and as of 12 o'clock tonight, you can't go out without a mask. A lot of people don't know, and it's going to cost you a lot of money. So to all my German citizens, I'm just getting you ready for this. You understand me I say? Remember to get your mask. You understand me I say? I see a lot of people them using all different things for masks. Yes, you can. Like you see me myself, I got a kerchief. I do like this. Yes, and this is my mask. So people, all you gotta do is you gotta cover your mouth and your nose. You understand? It's very, very important. You can check the news. As of 12 o'clock midnight tonight, if you're going out, if you're taking the public transport, you have to wear a mask. So yeah, this is King Kenny representing for MSE TV. Thank you for having me. I wish you a very, very nice day. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Remember, keep away from people 2 meters if you can. And remember to wash your hands. You understand what I say? Drink your ginger tea. You see me, your garlic tea. Be corona free. And when this is over, we'll all do some mad movies. We will all party together. So people, just be safe at the moment. King Kenny, I'm out. Bang!